In this video we will share what is the easiest way to plan and monitor your projects by Gantt chart. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's discuss the easiest way to plan and monitor your projects by Gantt chart. A Gantt chart is all you need to properly organize and keep track of the progress of your ongoing projects for your company or your business. This graph shows you the different phases in your project, such as planning, research, and implementation, as well as the status and target completion date of each phase. If you have never used Gantt charts before, your best option is to get a template that can be easily downloaded or printed from the internet. After getting an online template, you can immediately start creating a Gantt chart for a particular project. Here are the steps in making a chart using a template. 1. Gather and list all the important details of the project. 2. Divide your list into subcategories. 3. Place the tasks under the correct subcategory. 4. Place the list of things to do on the left portion of the Gantt chart. 5. Place the time frame of each task on the top area. 6. Use a bar to represent each task. This will illustrate the starting date of the project, the amount of time devoted for each task, and the completion date of the project. Creating a Gantt chart with the help of a template is simple. Once you are done with the chart, you can clearly see the various tasks involved in your project, how long it will take for each task to complete, the overlapping of task schedules, and the amount of time that will be spent for the whole project. The chart may appear complex, however, it is simple enough to be understood by people who will work with you on your project. As a result, you won't have much problem explaining the status and progress of your project to everyone. You will have to thank the template for that. Please make sure you have subscribed the channel. Do not forget to like, share and comment on this video. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.